Hallelujah, somebody.
Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah, somebody. Okay. This morning, don't forget I should come and tell you people that Jesus himself he loves you. Hallelujah. But I want to ask you, do you love Jesus?
Yes.
Do you love Jesus? But things happening in the world have stunned your mind from where God are.
Right on, Pastor.
Hallelujah. But APC and PDP, Labour Party,
Jesus,
they are frustrating people. Hallelujah.
Amen.
But don't allow things happening in the
70
world to
years
pull
old
your
man.
mind out of God.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now we need to give our testimony and special number.
Yeah.
We call our
Apostle, we
brother
hear of this.
Undertaker to lead us.
Praise the Lord, church.
Hallelujah.
Praise the Lord, church.
Hallelujah.
Are you happy to be in church?
We are happy.
Thank you, my father. Now it's testimony time. And we are going to call Brother Wiper. Clap for him. Clap for him. Brother Wiper.
Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Praise the Lord.
My testimony goes like this.
It is smoky,
Thank God
boo.
for life. I remember what happened last year. Because last God give me life. I'm alive today. It's not by my spirit. It's not by my power. I give God glory.
Praising the Lord.
Hallelujah. Praise the Lord, church.
Hallelujah.
Praise the Lord, church. That was a good testimony. Now we are going to call Sister Frances to give a
They have left to be.
special testimony.
Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Last week I was sick, but now I'm in time. Praise the Lord.
We also call our pastor, Pastor Paka.
Hallelujah, somebody. Hallelujah, somebody.
Amen.
Jesus loves you.
Yes,
I love you too.
Say I tell you, he loves you. Hallelujah.
Amen.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Now, I want to inform every one of us every Wednesday. Okay, as I was saying, every Wednesday is our midweek service.
Jesus is Lord.
Friday is our Bible study. Sunday is our normal Sunday service. Are you hearing me?
Apostle, we
Son
hear
of
of
God, are you
this.
hearing me?
We are hearing you. Sir.
All right. So we are about to close the service now. Our brother lead us in closing
If you
service.
say no be one thing now, go say you dey grace. You dey young girl, you dey tell me say na all this praise. Say be careful with me, be careful with me. But be careful with me, when I dey this place. Brother Wiper.